On a solitary coastal trail where the sea whispered its ancient tales and the cliffs stood as silent sentinels, an unspoken story unfolded. The hiker, a woman in her late 30s, sought solace in the midst of nature's embrace. Her steps were measured and deliberate, each one echoing the weight she carried. Memories danced in the shadows of her eyes, unseen by passers-by. The trail was her refuge, where solitude was both friend and companion. She faced obstacles on her path, from steep inclines to uneven terrain. Yet the greatest challenge remained concealed within, a storm of emotions that had yet to find an outlet. As the waves kissed the shore, their rhythms provided a soothing backdrop to her internal turmoil. The call of seagulls overhead mirrored her own longing for release. During her journey, she met a fellow traveler, John, whose eyes held the depth of his own experiences. They exchanged stories in the quiet of the trail as the sea murmured its own tales. The connections formed in the hushed conversations were lifelines that neither knew they needed. Silently, she continued her trek, and as the final footsteps echoed in the distance, something had changed. Her grief remained, but it no longer held her captive. In the whisper of the sea and the memories she carried, she found a way to move forward, honoring the love she had lost. With the trail behind her, she returned, determined to seize the moments life offered, letting her resilience be the echoes of her journey. This subtly introduces Sarah's character and her emotional journey, focusing on the healing and transformation without explicitly naming her at the outset. This story teaches us that healing takes time. Human connections can provide unexpected support. Nature has a therapeutic power. It's possible to honor the memory of loved ones while embracing the present. And resilience is the key to moving forward in the face of profound loss.